how to transfer calls and contacts from old Android to Samsung Galaxy S24 or the S24 Plus or the Ultra after the initial setup. So if you have already set up your device, you still can transfer all the data over to your device. Now to do this, we first need to go to the Play Store and make sure our software are up to date. So go to the app screen and open up Play Store. In here, you want to look for an app called Smart Switch. So tap on that. This is from Samsung. So that is the Samsung app. So you want to make sure it is up to date and then open it. So tap on the open button, or you can simply go through the settings menu. So swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down, then tap on accounts and backup. Next, we go down and tap on transfer data for device setup. Now, when you tap on that, it will go to this screen here. So transfer your data, and you want to tap on receive data. Now, just before we do that, we want to go back to our old Android device. So here is my old Android device. I also want to make sure that I have installed Smart Switch as well. So go to Play Store and then type in Smart Switch and look for the app and make sure it is installed. Now, because this is a Samsung phone, so it already have Smart Switch installed. But if you say you have Google Pixel or another Android device, you want to make sure you install Samsung Smart Switch on that device. And if you have already installed in the past, make sure it is up to date. And then open it. And here on both devices, on the Galaxy S24 and S23, one is the receiving end and the other one is the sending end. So here I will choose Galaxy Android and wireless and then wireless. So now they are both trying to search for one another. And then this one here found the S24, so we tap on the connect button. And now the phone will go through and search for what data is available to transfer over. Here it says everything. Now because we do not want to transfer everything over, so simply select custom, then tap on next. Next, tap on calls and contacts, select that option. You can also tap on the right arrow and choose what you want to transfer over. Then tap on done. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on the transfer button. Now while we are here, you can go down the list here and see if there is anything else that you want to transfer over while you are at it. So here we got apps, we've got settings, home screen, images, videos. You can also select them if you want to transfer them all at the same time. In this video, we just simply going to transfer calls and contacts. Then tap on the transfer button. And here you can see the transfer process has begun. And just wait for that to finish. Then tap on done. And that's it. So we have now successfully transferred calls and contacts from an old Android device over to your new device. That is the easiest way. There are other methods of transferring calls and contacts over to your device, but I find this is the easiest way. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.